Opening dumplings. I have 3. They're all fake because they're not ornaments. I've already took the packaging off of 2, but like. Mochis. I'm not even joking. My sister opened this. I thought that she was like pranking me, but she got these exact same ones inside of this. Well, that was a huge scam. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, this one feels really heavy, so promising maybe? Okay, you guys look first. Did I? Wait. It's a red one. I don't think this is. My brother got it. My brother got this one. This one's a lot dirty. This one looks dirtier than my brother's did, but he has this exact same one. I definitely got scammed, but it's okay. Okay, last one. Bro. Okay, took the tape off. You guys look first. I got the purple one. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm being so quiet. My brother's playing a game, so. I really wanted the pink one. Wait, is it the pink or is it the purple? I can't tell, but I got one, so.